Hey guys, welcome. Quad is here, and we are here to really to show you how to invest because I found the 11 digit, you know, Google code, 11 digit. For every video has 11 digits, and those 11 digit. So I'm going to show you how you can change them with your YouTube 11 digit. And what you do, you click on Control and F, and then it's gonna pop up the prompt like you see right now, and this is right here. After you hit Control and F, and then you type YouTube, it's gonna pop up right here. So this is the code here. So these are, you see, after embed right here, this is the code right here. This is the 11 digit. So I'm gonna paste after I copy my Google 11 digit, which is right here. You know, this 11 digit right here. I copy them. You know, copy, and then I go back to my admin, and then it bring me here. And now I have to paste right here. Highlight it and paste it. Paste. Now I replace the 11 digit with my YouTube channel 11 digit, and then I click source again, and now it's done. So I can edit at bottom if I want to, and this is a whole frame right here. How the system works. Start my free trial, right? So now it's done. So I can just click save, and then view, and there you go. There you go. If you see now, this is right here. I replace the YouTube video with my own YouTube by copy and paste all this all these 11 digit characters. So right here you can see, and then my YouTube is working, and these are people these are testimonial people. That's how you copy and paste and replace video with your own 11 digit YouTube channel. Let me copy my link here.
Hi, welcome guys. This is Quading, and we are live, and you are really more than welcome to our family here. So today we're gonna
how
do
you copy and paste,
a
because
review
I tried
about
multiple
big
times,
platforms.
but
Very
I did not
simple,
copy
but
in the
it's
right place.
really
So now I did copy in the right place, and that's how
helpful.
you
And
copy
if
and
you're
replace
somebody
your
ready
YouTube
to learn some
video in the back of
new
Power Lead
in
system,
your
in the back of
couch,
all
then you are
the funnels, or the lead
this
capture
software
pages
is very
to the
good
back
for
in the
you,
back office.
and it's good. You could promote any kind of business, especially.
So now I'm glad I figured out, guys. So let me stop right now. And it's 4 minute video, which is short. It's great, very great to be short, and